Low flame, pan warm, little slip of oil, let it swirl, let it coat. Lay them in slow, slow, hear that gentle kiss as they arch and they bow. Turn them over, golden skin shining tight. Drag the fork along, so light. Make me that sausage sandwich. Slow hands, don't rush this taste. I want it dripping, I want it messy, running down all over my plate. Make me that sausage sandwich. Toast soft, but strong enough to take every juice, every little bit of you, drowned in thick, lush gravy on my tongue. Stir them round till they slump, turning sweet. Let them cuddle up close to that sizzling meat. Tiny touch of stock, deep brown, getting thick. Watch it cling, watch it coat as you drag through it slow. Make me the sausage sandwich. Slow hands, don't rush this taste. I want it dripping, I want it messy, running down all over my plate. Make me that sausage sandwich. Toast soft, but strong enough to take every juice, every little bit of you, drowned in thick, lush gravy on my tongue. Lay it down, bread open, waiting wide. Nest them in the middle, let them sink, let them slide. Spoon that gravy, let it pour till it pools, till it spills. I can't hold it anymore. Make me that sausage sandwich. Slow hands, don't rush this taste. I want it dripping, I want it messy, running down all over my plate. Make me that sausage sandwich. Toast soft, but strong enough to take every juice, every little bit of you, drowned in thick, lush gravy on my